right. Jaakko's up as well.
Yep.
Got a little bit of rain last night, but we survived. We stayed dry. I think, Jaakko, you were a bit cold.
Yeah.
Again.
Yeah. My sleeping bag, like kind of minimum is 11 degrees, and last night it went to 5. So yeah, a little bit cold, but not anymore. Now start action. Brilliant.
Yeah. So it was our last night in camp. Tomorrow we have a room from the Kultakylä Gold Village. So we get to sleep well in beds and then don't have to worry about dismantling the camp before we head back to central Finland, seeing as it's an early morning and a 12-hour drive, giving us a little bit of time to rest, sleep well, so that we're up and at 'em early and awake and well prepared for the road. So disassembly now while Sami is making us breakfast. How's it going, our chef?
Perfecto. Quite good, except for rain. There is our new pastrami warming up. I believe that is going to be a soup.
Camp life is being packed up, and this comes together fairly quickly. We're novices, doing it for the first time, sort of, but about an hour. We're doing good.
Singing along.
That was our rain dance.
And it works.
Yeah, but we didn't ask for rain, we just danced because it's raining.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Now to dig some gold, eh?
Yep, goalie. Today's prospecting is on. We have came to the claim. Now Kevin is moving our trailer and the car to a parking lot, and me and Jaakko, we have already started working here. Same thing as yesterday. Fill buckets, wash out, fill buckets, wash out, and so on and so on. Hopefully about 6 or 7 more those big nuggets.
Enjoying the rain?
Yeah. Yeah.
Wet inside and out. Sweat on the inside, rain on the outside.
Yeah. Or is it the other way around?
Maybe.
Good thing that I don't have to wet these gloves because they are already wet. That's good. The stream is now perfect.
It's our last 2 hours.
Yeah.
Hour and a half, 2. Getting pay, sluicing it, and then starts the final cleanup. And our expected total for the 2 days?
About 1.5 kilos.
Yeah.
Realistic. We will be closer to 1 kilo than 2.
Perfect. Let's hop to it.
Last 3 buckets.
Ah, three buckets.
Yeah. There's some huge stones also there, so a lot of gold on those stones, so clean them carefully, guys.
It is done. We have no idea how many buckets, but we're done for this trip. Now we have to clean out the sluice, pan the gold out. Is that it?
No, not quite yet. We still have to pan those mats.
Yes. So we have 1, 2, 3 mats to clean.
Yep.
Exciting. That right there, or was it? That right there was the last flake to go into our... We did it, boys.
Let's go celebrate with hamburgers and do the sauna.
Hamburgers and beer and
So, thank you until next time.